Good morning. If you can't tell, I am at the very end of my clothing. And as you also may know, the laundromat is a thing for me. So I have bought a new combo washer dryer with pet filters for dog hair. And we're waiting for it to be delivered. They're going to leave it curbside, which means I have to wrangle it in here and install it myself.
Please hang up and try again.
Since I will have to bring it in by myself from the curb into the house, up over the threshold, and into place, I needed a dolly. So I bought a dolly, and now I have to put it together. You like that name? And I'm going to put it together. Wow, that's heavy duty. Lord mercy. Let your toe if it landed on there. Oh! Ow! Yeah! I always think the instructions are going to be simple and easy to read, and that I'll be able to do this easy. But it's not easy. The diagrams and the different little packages that they give you, I can't see those little diagrams. Where do these washers go? What kind of bolts go where? What? Where does this go? Why is this left over? I started out cold. Ended up stripping clothes off. I started out with a back that was all right. I ended up with a screaming back. My nose bled. My nose ran. I was cold. Now I'm burning up mad and crying. You can't understand these stupid instructions. And I sweated. I cried. I cussed. I slammed. And I was angry. But I got it put together without hurting myself too much. I'm not sure who wrote these instructions, but I think it's the same people who wrote my math textbooks in school. Ta-da! 'Ah, here we go. That was hell to put together. Not bad, but it was a Coocheer to put together.